So, when we're talking about other people or ourselves or anybody as an object, we use me, her, them, etc. after a preposition. What is a preposition? It's for, to, with, and many more. So here, this letter isn't for me. It's for you. Who is that woman? Why are you looking at her? We're going to the cinema. Do you want to come with us? Sue and Kevin are going to the cinema. Do you want to go with them? Where's the newspaper? You're sitting on it. And we can also use give it, them too. I want that book. Please give it to me. Or it means that I want that book. Please give that book to me. Robert needs these books. Can you give them to him, please? Robert needs these books. Can you give these books to him, please? That wraps it up for the end of our video. Hope to see you all soon in the next one. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section or ask through our social media. We'd like to see you here at the Creative Edu Academy learning with us soon. So feel free to sign up now with us. See you here, everyone, at the Creative Edu Academy. Teacher Demyan out.